Hey guys, it's Malaika with the Plant-Based Review. I'm here today with Natasha, owner of Evolution, the Green Room Salon, and we're here to talk about clean beauty. So I've had many hairstyles over the years. I've been natural for several years, but I've never really thought about any natural products themselves or clean beauty or anything organic like that. Can you tell me what clean beauty means to you?
Well, clean beauty to me means an organic approach to hair care. Being conscious of the ingredients that you use and being able to expose clients to different looks and showing them how to use more organic, natural products.
So basically what you're saying is that your clients can achieve the same look and styles that they would have with these toxic products as with natural products. What does toxic mean exactly?
So a lot of these toxic ingredients are preservatives, and what we're realizing is that you can use the basic ingredients and still achieve the same look. One of the top ingredients that's in everything are parabens, and we all know parabens are very harsh on the skin. They dry them out. So with natural hair, being prone to being naturally dry, we know that shampoos with parabens are a no-no. Another big product is formaldehyde, which is a carcinogen, and this also dries out the skin. It's irritating. That's why in some cases some clients have allergic reactions to these particular products because those are ingredients and they don't realize, and then it causes scalp issues, which they don't realize until they actually come to someone like me that do scalp scopes and see what if the shampoo is actually working for them.
So what about your brand you think sets you apart?
Well, number one, the fact that we're a multicultural salon that focus on eco-beauty. All the products that we use are recyclable. Even down to the packaging of the products are recyclable. So this is a tonic that helps stimulate blood circulation to the scalp and help stimulate hair growth in conjunction with massaging, because it's all about circulation. And a lot of times when people are suffering with thinning and hair loss because they're not getting the circulation to their scalp.
What's really awesome about this is I can read all of these ingredients and I know what all of them are, which is not the case for so many hair products.
Yeah, that's why I kind of like being a little chemist and dibble-dabble and creating products and supporting people that's doing the same thing. Such as this young lady, her name is Mel Butterblend, that's the brand, and she makes this amazing hair crack, and it's pure shea and essential.
So I see that you offer some perming and texturizing here.
Yeah.
Can you give me a little bit of information about, are those organic options?
So 90% of our clients are natural, but there is that small percentage because initially when we first opened, we were still offering a large percent of chemical services. But over a period of time, as we continue to educate clients and talk new clients into transitioning, we noticed that we created something, and every client that would come here that would start with a chemical would end up not having a chemical. So the option is there for people that want to still have the chemicals, but we try to educate them on how to take care of their hair still with more natural products in regards to maintenance and treating their hair. The direction is for us to not do any type of chemicals. But right now we do offer it, and to combat that we offer a natural approach to maintenance and hair care.
I think that's huge though. I think you're basically offering them the option but are educating them on how to transition to natural. I know for me, I didn't know how to make that transition, so I just shaved my head completely.
Yeah.
Growing up, my mom definitely permed and texturized my hair a lot of the time. She just didn't want to deal with my natural hair. It was too tough to deal with. But eventually the chemicals became so damaging that I used to bald.
That's right.
So what would you say to maybe some girls out there who are thinking about going natural, but they don't think that there's maybe products out there for them? What would you tell them?
It's best to go to a knowledgeable salon first, find out what works, find out your texture, and then they can help you transition, and a good salon is going to educate you in between, so you don't have to feel like you always have to go to the salon in order to do your hair.
So you call yourself an evolutionist.
Yes.
What does that mean to you, and how much satisfaction does it give you to be not only just a hairstylist, but someone that really educates their clients?
The evolutionist in me embodies me constantly evolving to create like the ultimate salon experience, number one, and constantly evolving to create an experience for my clients when they come to Evolution Green Room, and constantly evolving to eventually become an educator, not just for my staff, but for young professionals that's interested in being in the industry, and they want to be part of the Evolution brand. So yes, that's what I consider being an evolutionist. I'm making changes in the industry. I'm educating.
That's amazing. I love that. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us about clean beauty today.
Yes.
You have a really great brand here.
Thank you.
And
Thank
it's
you.
really amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.